Thanks for clicking that link. So I'm here today to talk about my new Vans MTE-1 Mid-High winter boot. This is not my first boot in the MTE line. My original boot was the MTE-2, which I did a review on here back at the beginning of winter. Check out the link in the description below. These, however, are the MTE-1s in the blue suede. So yeah, really digging them, and I wanted to get some shots of them here at the park. Not gonna lie, these are pretty legit to skate in. They have really good sole to them. My MTE-2s definitely feel like snow boots when you step on a skateboard. These not so much. Okay, so I got the winter helmet on because it is cold out here today, so I don't know how long I'm gonna skate. Got my elbow pads up underneath my new hoodie. Check this out, the new Kickflip Threads hoodie. Yeah, that's right, swirling vortex with the skate. Really stoked. So if you want one of these hoodies, check them out at our website, kickflipthreads.com. All right, I'm gonna get skating with these boots. Super cool. Okay, so just a quick breakdown of the MTE-1 Destruct Mid Van shoe. First, we've got the Primal Loft insulation, the mimics down. Pretty amazing how it's in here, even in the side of these treated water repellent uppers that are really soft, comfy wumpy. Then, speaking of comfy wumpy, we've got our Ultra Cush insole, very nice, along with this HydroGuard wrap. And most importantly to me, this reverse waffle lug pattern. Now I'm hoping, because of all the pavement pounding that I do, that this is gonna be better suited for my dailies. I also did get a chance to skate in these yesterday, and it's not a skate shoe by any means. However, if you're looking for a winter boot that you could skate for your daily commute, this is gonna be a great option for you. These light leather uppers are really great. On a side note, the only concern I've had is this tongue. There is a lot of material, there's a lot going on in here. So day one, I tied these too tight and it was folded up in such a way that it kind of dug into my foot and agitated it for a couple days. So watch out for that. I've been working in them, skating in them, and they're great. Yeah. The Vans MTE-1 Mid Destruct winter boot. Okay, I feel right now. Hopefully that showed up in the camera, because definitely some good impact protection. It's got some sole.